Hi everyone. So basically this video to give like my feedback on my experience with Nicola Albert, and also doing the PERS assessment. So actually 2 years back I had like some situation which made me spend more time and effort to explore myself and raise my self-awareness. At that time I had like some ongoing activities with Nicola, and she was like I consider her my mentor. So whenever I need like an advice from an expert, someone who is having like a perspective that is covering like the situation 360 degrees, so I go to Nicola. Nicola is my go-to person, and at that time she offered me the assessment, and we went through multiple discussions around the results, which helped me big time in understanding myself, what I'm looking for, how I'm like I should be like moving forward, what would be what I should be looking for my next step, what would be the environment that would best fit for me. So it helped me at that time, and also combined with the advices from Nicola on each step. And I always recall her statement whenever I think about taking a hard decision. Don't jump from a frying pan into the fire. I hope that I'm telling it in the right way. But she gave me a lot of advices, a lot of ideas, and I mean, I appreciate having her as a mentor, as a friend, as an expert in my network. Also, she is very actively connecting people together, even without looking for any anything behind it. So she's genuinely like helping people, motivating them, helping them, guiding them to find the ways. And actually she inspired me to start also some mentorship, also like free of charge, for like a community payback from my side. So for the freshers and the mid-level professionals, so also I'm helping them doing the same. So I found also like a platform doing that, so I registered and I conducted more than 90 sessions so far. So the one who inspired me to do that is Nicola. So thank you so much. I am recommending her services, the value that she's providing to any organization, to any team, that will help them grow, will help them achieve better results. Thank you so much.